All right, Maritza, here you go. We are done. Here's the Tiki Kev crew, yours truly. We got Michelle and Carter.
Hello.
All right, I'm going to turn this around and show you what we got. All right, there we go. So let me move back here. All right, now this will be on YouTube, so I want to hear everybody's opinion because I know you all have one. So we're here in North Myrtle Beach, and this is a 6x8 red cedar tiki bar with a 8x10 Endura Reed Viva 3.0 synthetic thatch. Oh yeah, you can't forget the Tiki Kev bar stools. 4 of them. All right, so let me show you guys what we got here. Oh, but first, the most important thing. Who built this bar? I don't know. Let's find out. Tiki Kev. Ooh. All right, well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to have Michelle go behind the bar. And before she does that, I'm just going to bend over here for a second, show you the rope lighting. So we have the bar hooked up temporarily to one of our cords. So you guys just have to get electric out here to the bar. But I just want to show you everything's working. So you got the rope lighting under there. You have a refrigerator. And it should be running. Michelle, could you open that? Okay, so there's the fridge.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's cold? Good. I turned it up earlier. Okay.
Feels refreshing.
Refreshing, yeah, but it's empty. That's the problem. All right, and you got an outlet up in the roof. Okay. Now that switch right there, Michelle, you want to point out the switch? That switch right there will control that outlet and anything else you put in the ceiling. The bar itself stays hot all the time because you have the refrigerator. Now, obviously, if you unplug the cord, you have no power. Okay, so what else do we have, Michelle? We have cabinets. Show them the cabinets. There we go. You got 1, 2, and there's one on the side as well.
There's a mini one right over here.
Yep, right there. All right.
Cabinetta.
All right, and some really cool. Where'd they go?
They're all up top.
Oh, they're up top.
I spaced them out.
She spaced them out. Tiki Kev coasters. But I wouldn't leave them out here when it's windy. They'll blow away, and then your neighbors will get jealous, and I'm gonna have to come down and build them a tiki bar. Might not be a bad thing. So, can you move out of the way real quick, Michelle? So, if you guys do not want the rope lighting on, all you have to do is unplug it right there, and then the rope lighting will go off. So, and that's your lower bar top right there. Right there. Okay. So I think that's about it. There's 0 maintenance on the roof. It's hurricane proof up to, I think it's 176 mile an hour winds. You got a 20-year warranty on it fading. The stuff will pretty much damn last forever. You don't have anything to worry about. So love to hear everybody's opinion. And love to hear your comments. All right, let's get one more view. Let's go back out here. Nice pool, by the way. All right, so there you have it, the Tiki Kev crew.
Absolutely beautiful.
In Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. All right, for Tiki Kev and the entire crew, Tiki Kev out.